Hello everybody and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how you can change your name in Google Meet. So let's start this video. First open your Google Meet application and then click on your Google account profile on the top right corner. As you can see, my name is currently Tech OG. So just minimize this application and go into Gmail. Now again click on the Google account profile on the top right corner. Then click on Google account and here click on personal info and then click on name. Now click on arrow name. Now here you have to change your name. Then tap save. Now go back and as you can see my name is changed. So now I will go back again into the Google Meet application and here I will click on new. Now I will click on create a new meeting and then click on join meeting. Now click on join and then click on three dots at the bottom. Now over here click on activities. Now click on people. Now as you can see my name is changed from Tech OG to Sharjeel Akhtar. I hope this video will help you a lot. If so, please consider in liking this video and subscribe this channel.